This thing is following me. Any over.
Agwani. Urumanda me area pa siya kera wen. Wa chapa kere. Oh, adar. You come. Wow. So this is blood. Goat blood, eh? So we are going to cook this for our breakfast. It's really a very nice food. So I'm going to take you through the processes of how I prepare my blood. Blood turns into food. Yeah. So we most times cook the blood. See, it's now clotting. Yeah, before it was all fresh, but now it's clotting. So this is it's a lung. So we cook it together with the blood, but you're going to first cook this separate so you're first going to boil the lungs with the intestine separate before uh, adding in the blood. So please make sure you watch this until the end, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel at the Lord Diaries. So we cut this into smaller pieces so it can cook faster. See this? Hold it well though. Gonna tell the John, how are you holding this? You don't just cook blood, just only blood. It has to be accompanied by other by other pieces of meat. I don't even know how these ones are called, but these are not like okay. I'm seeing like intestines, yeah, small intestines. Okay. Yeah. Shoot. Video. I'm gonna bring you water. Are you listening? Now this is Pepe chili. So it's our local chili. We grow it locally. We call it kalara in our local language. So I'm going to put about five of it. It's still fresh, not very dry. I'm going to put five, so it goes with it with the salt. Yeah, and then maybe after adding in the fat, I'll then add more too. Yeah? It's nice when the spices are are hot. Let's get this. I'll just use my hands to break. Hmm?
Chị don't get like a mother.
Chocha. So we are going to cover it and you let it cook itself here. See how it's getting in contact. Kana there. Timid mama Lutan. But this nyenye. Nyenye di where? You come. I get on TV. Can you go? No. Come there. Come there.
Ma and Auntie.
So what American did so what American leader? So what American leader?
Are you here?
I want the boat.
Don't know. No, too close. Move behind. Like that. Yeah, well. Don't let your hand overshake. Go where?
Like this, let me show you.
Mona, food is nice. Can you put this thing down and eat food? Put it down. Put it down. Eat food.
Go and throw that thing of yours away. You see if I sit down. And be a dear. Oh.
Wow. Was it nice? Hmm?
Anything?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Me, I'm away. Then. Teacher, pick it here. And you take them away. Pick on your piece. Caramel. But look, you can't put here.